Everyone, this is my review for Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Lee, which is a 100% free teaching that Saad offers to anyone that wants to learn about the Forex market. First of all, I just want to say thank you, Saad Ali, for this because you didn't have to do this. Before I met you or came across your videos, I actually was a part of a group where a gentleman was teaching me as well as 80 other people that's a part of his teachings how to trade this market for thousands of dollars is what he was charging. And I realized that, it had to be more to this market than what he was teaching. He wasn't even really teaching me how to be a trader. He was just teaching me how to chase the money, how to trade out of greed, which was in return having fear in my mind, in my heart of losing my money. Because it's one thing when you're trading in a demo account and making money, but when you're doing it in a live atmosphere, it's much more scarier. So I felt like I owed it to myself to learn how to be an effective trader. So one day I just decided to go onto Facebook and type in Forex for Beginners, and just so happened to come across the Forex Beginners Academy taught by you. And I decided to join and start taking the lessons. And I say, hands down, your lessons are awesome. And anyone that decides to join your university or your academy will definitely come across great teachings that you offer for free. You have taught me so much. You have blessed me as well as my family. I have learned things that I never had learned before with the other gentlemen, like Fibonacci retracement, market structure, dealing with breakup structure. Didn't even know what that was, but that was such an awesome lesson. I had to watch it a couple times, but I was like, hey, it's worth it. You taught me about trend lines and channels. Also taught me about support and resistance, as well as how to read the charts on TradingView, which I had never used before, and so many other things that you have taught me and the lessons that I've been watching. And the other thing that I enjoy so much about your teachings, as well as what you offer, is that you allow each and every person to join the private student group, where you can become a member of that group. You can post your homework to that group, where you will actually look at the homework and critique it to see if we're on the right path, or have the understanding or the knowledge of what you're teaching us, and let us know. You also offer, so many other benefits that I didn't get with the other group that I was a part of. And I have been giving this information to all of my family and friends and telling them about your academy to join it, because it's an awesome academy and hands down the best that I've seen. And you make it so simplistic where a teenager can understand it, and probably someone younger than a teenager, to how simplistic you make it. So once again, I just want to say thank you. And anybody that's watching this video, I just want to tell you, check him out. He's great. And the fact that it's free, I remember in one of the first lessons, he was saying, hey, I don't need your money. I make my own money in this market. He just wanted to be someone that will teach people for free because he was tired of people charging people, which someone charged me. And I didn't have to go that route, but it's okay. I felt like it was a foundation for me, and Saad Ali is like really building the house of how to understand Forex. So I appreciate it. And once again, thank you.